All right. This is my prototype screen launch. Let me just show you what I got. So in terms of launching the game, hopefully you can hear the sounds. Got the audio for the intro. I got my credits that you can return as well. And when you start, you take into the game screen, and as you can see the audio, the video of the user itself. And right now, as I'm speaking into the microphone, there's nothing happened. This is the micro sensitivity bar that you can adjust up and down. If it goes all the way up, it's going to hear all of the sound and basically adjust the fill gauge with any little sound, even the sound from my laptop. But if I lower the sensitivity, then it'll go based on my own. Whenever I talk, as you can see, when I talk, now it goes up higher and higher and higher. But if I increase the sensitivity, then you can see that the more and more sounds that it takes in is the more the bar goes up. So my laptop actually has a fan on, so you can hear it see it going up faster and faster. Anyways, well, the character moved 3 steps to the right, and just to show when I adjust the player launch max, if I increase it, and as the bar gauge fills up and then finally matches, so you can see that the character goes further to the right based on the launch max. And when this gauge is filled up, that's when it actually is launched. This record only works on the phone. Restart to restart the scene. Just have a few more things to add in, but I'll get started on that during the alpha. So thank you.